Hi everyone, welcome back to our online course on Code and Silicon, your journey from transistors to Python. Today we're going to explore the world of computer memory and hierarchy. In the last session, we learned that the control unit inside the CPU needs a steady stream of instructions to keep the fetch-execute cycle going. But where do these instructions and the data they operate on come from? They come from memory. Computers need memory because the CPU, which acts as the system's processing center, requires a continuous supply of instructions and data to perform tasks. Since the CPU operates at extremely high speeds but has limited internal storage, it relies on memory to quickly access the information it needs. Dedicated storage areas such as RAM and cache serve as the CPU source for these instructions and data, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. There are two main types of memory: volatile and non-volatile. Volatile memory, also known as RAM, is temporary and disappears when you turn off the computer. It's used to store data that the CPU is actively using. On the other hand, non-volatile memory, also known as storage, is permanent and remains even when the computer is turned off. This is where your files, programs, and operating system are stored. But how do computers balance speed, size, and cost? That's where the memory hierarchy comes in. Imagine you're a scholar working on a paper. You have your desk, bookshelf, and warehouse. The CPU uses a similar hierarchy. Cache, L1, L2, L3, is like your desk, extremely fast but very small. RAM is like your bookshelf, fast but medium-sized. Storage, SSD, HDD, is like the warehouse, slow but very large. The goal is to keep the data the CPU needs right now as close as possible to minimize waiting time. In conclusion, memory is a tiered system designed for efficiency. We have RAM for temporary working space, storage for permanent filing, and the memory hierarchy to ensure the CPU always has the data it needs instantly. With this foundation, we're ready to tackle the next piece of the puzzle: the bridge, how hardware meets software. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.